Headlines DynamicMaps MapThat is an open source WebGIS that allows you to connect to and publish all your spatial assets using a user-friendly yet high-powered web mapping interface. You can choose from any number of external base mapping options, including Mapbox, OpenStreetMap, OS ZoomStack, and Google's aerial imagery. You can display point, line, and polygon datasets at the click of a button, with an information bubble providing attributes as you inspect each of your map features. A data table is also provided from the right hand side, which allows you to view extra attribute data, perform filters on your data, as well as export and edit attributes. MapThat is fully WMS compliant, so you can easily render complex spatial data in seconds, as well as show tiled raster layers such as historic mapping, so you can compare changes over time. Our search tools are fully configurable, so you can search for any spatial asset as well as address locations, with a very intuitive results panel which allows you to click and zoom to your result records. We have a full suite of map and routing tools, including a measuring tool which allows you to measure lines, areas, and auto-calculate the area of existing features. While we keep our interface as simple as possible, we also provide high-end spatial analysis tools, such as an area search tool where you can undertake buffering and point-in polygon analysis. MapThat also has a full suite of drawing tools which allows your users to manage their spatial assets by reshaping, deleting nodes, snapping, capturing, and also tracing map features. Having manipulated and updated your assets, you can now use a MapThat scale printing tool to generate true scale plotting using a variety of paper sizes, map scales, and choice of base maps.